What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use RingCentral as a beginner, and this is a beginner friendly tutorial for absolute beginners who are new to RingCentral. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in RingCentral. After typing, you will see this first official website of RingCentral. Simply click on this website, and after clicking the website, you will be welcomed to this dashboard of RingCentral. Now, RingCentral is a cloud-based communication platform designed for businesses. It offers voice calls, video meetings, messaging, and team collaborations in one app. With its scalable features, it's ideal for remote and hybrid work environments. RingCentral integrates with popular apps like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. It ensures secure, reliable communication across devices and locations. So now let's get started. First off, you can see here are the pricing options and here are some products of links on the RingCentral. Now here are the solutions like by audience it is separated here, and by industry it is here, and you can choose whatever industry or business or audience you are in. And then let's see all the plans and pricing. This is the business phone plan, which is of $20 a month, and then this is the advanced one of $25, and then this is the ultra one of $35. You can pause the video and watch all the features. Now let's go to the contact center. Now this is the premium of contact centers, and here are the video plans about the various types of video editing opportunities like town halls, rooms, webinars, and events. You can choose anyone from these, or you can try the free one. And after that, here is the event section. Here are the event subscription like Events Pro, Events Pro Plus, and Events Enterprise. And you can also sign up by your email and password and then use it for free for 30 days. And this is the conversion intelligence. This is the premium. You can stop the video and you can read all the features. Now let's get back to the home page, or you can say dashboard here. And if you want to log in, if you already have an account, just log in with your admin portal, your billing portal, your RingCentral events, or your RingCentral app. But if you are new here, click on view demo, and after that, just tell a bit about yourself, like number of employees that you have in your company. That you need to select a free plan and then sign up with your email and password for a free account. And then you will be welcome to the homepage of RingCentral. Now from here, you can access the message tab, you can access the contacts tab, and when you click on more, you can see your workspace, or you can create your own workspace, or you can customize anything. Now here under the workspace, you can see all the tasks and events that you have set here on the calendar of RingCentral. And then when you click here, it will show only the task with due dates. And when you click here, it will show only the events that you have on your calendar. Now when you come under the task section and when you click on all open tasks, so it will show you all your open tasks. And when you click on migrated task, it will filter and show you tasks that only you have created. And when you click on assign to me, it will show you the tasks that are only assigned to you. And when you click here on assign to me due soon, uh, this will show you the tasks that are assigned to you and are about to due soon. This will show you the past due of your task, and this will show all the completed tasks. Now here under the events, you can see all your events like the current event and the upcoming events. And then when you click on my created events, it will show you the events that you have created. Now under the file section, you can see all the files from here, and then you can see files that you have created. And when you click on this shared with me, it will show you all the files that are only shared with you. Same thing is on the notes section. And then here in the message section, you can add your members and then you can start chatting. You can invite your members by email and you can share a link. And after that, under the app section, you can add multiple applications to RingCentral like Airbreak, Casio Ad, AppSignal, Bucket, and whatever apps you like. You can also add Jira and you can also add MailChimp. And here are multiple applications that you can choose from and add according to your requirements. And when you add all the application, and then on the left side, when you click on My Apps, it will show you all the apps that you have integrated in your Ring Central. Now, when you click on Settings, here it will open the general settings, and this is the language option to choose your language. And then in this message section, it is same as the message here. It will edit all your message section, the way of chatting that you want. You can edit it from here, like move muted conversions to the top and maximum conversions. You can set the number. And after that, when you click on notifications, you can browse your notifications and the direct messages sound, the team message sound, and the mention sound. You can change them according to your requirements. After that, you can receive direct messages of email notifications, mentions, and themes. And then from here, you can choose the themes like sky blue, lake blue, eggplant purple, and then here are some dark themes. So let's say I like this one, so I will choose it like this. And if you want dark theme, just click on this set color theme and a drop down menu will appear and then click on dark. So as you can see, my theme has been dark, and in the dark theme, you have also two options. This is the simple dark theme, and this is the high contrast dark theme. So from here, you can add your keyboard shortcuts, like to save the notes. You can change it, and then here all of the shortcuts you can see. And if you don't like any of the shortcuts, you can change it according to your requirement and wish. And from here you can customize your tabs. So that was a beginner friendly walkthrough tutorial for beginners on RingCentral. This is how you can use RingCentral as a beginner. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.